हाँ जी भाई दोस्तों, तो चलो अब आज का पेपर हम लोग डिस्कस कर लेते हैं एक बार। फिजिक्स में 13 प्रॉब्लम था और जहाँ तक हमारा मानना है इससे आसान प्रॉब्लम सेट किया नहीं जा सकता। तो जिसने हाँ जी भाई दोस्तों, तो चलो अब हम लोग आते हैं तीसरे प्रॉब्लम में। तीसरे प्रॉब्लम में क्या था? A stone falls from a balloon is descending at a uniform rate of 12 meter per second. The displacement of the stone from the point of release after 10 seconds is। मान लो कि अगर इसको यहाँ से ड्रॉप किया गया, हम अभी एकदम 2-3 दिन पहले ही ताजा ताजा समझा रहे थे, किसी भी मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट से जब किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को गिराया जाता है, ड्रॉप किया जाता है, तो इसके अंदर भी वही वेलोसिटी चला आता है जो मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट का था। तो मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट 12 मीटर पर सेकंड से डाउनवर्ड आ रहा था, अब इसको अगर ड्रॉप किया जाएगा तो ये भी 12 मीटर पर सेकंड से डाउनवर्ड आएगा। ये अगर डिस्प्लेसमेंट h मान लिया जाए, ये अगर हमारा प्रोजेक्शन पॉइंट है, तो इसको हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं? माइनस एच, क्योंकि हम डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन को निगेटिव ले रहे हैं। माइनस एच इज इक्वल्स टू -12 इंटू टी इज वॉट 10 सेकेंड प्लस हाफ इंटू ए इज वॉट -10 इंटू टी स्क्वायर विल बी वॉट 100। इसको कैलकुलेट कर लो साहब, तो माइनस एच इज इक्वल्स टू -620 आएगा। माइनस माइनस कैंसिल, सो एच विल बी वॉट 620 मीटर। That will be the answer. That means 6 is what? Correct. C is what? Correct. Fourth one is the distance traveled by a particle from rest and moving with an acceleration this thing in the third second is basically third second का हम लोग निकालते कैसे? S3 minus S2. So S3 starting from rest, so S3 will be what? UT. U will be 0, so simply half AT square. So half A into T is what? 3. 3 square will be what? 9. Minus 1 by 2 into A into 2 square. That will be what? 4. Just take half common. A 9 minus 4 will be what? 5. Now, so this thing what we can write? Half into A is what? A is 4 by 3 into A is what? A is 4 by 3 and this is what? 5. So what we can say, this will be 2 times, so my answer will be 10 by 3, simply 10 by 3 meter. That will be my answer. Hence A is what? Correct. Fifth one, see, a stone dropped from the top of the tower touches the ground in 4 seconds. The height of the tower is about nothing, just we have to substitute S equals to UT plus half AT square. Now see, what you can say about this is, U is what? 0. Why? Because this is a case of what? Dropping. I don't know how many times I told you that the moment you will see dropping, that means what? U is 0. So this will be 0 plus half into acceleration is what? 10 into t square is 4. So this thing will become 2 to 5, 16, 5 is 80. So 80 meter will be what? Correct answer. Sixth one is an object is projected upward with a velocity of 100 meters per second. It will strike the ground after. Strike the ground after means what? They're asking about time of flight. They're asking about time of flight. What about time of flight? We know the formula for time of flight. That is what? 2u upon g. Simply substitute it. So this will become 2 into 100 upon 10. This thing will be cancelled out. You will get what? 20 seconds. So B is what? Most appropriate answer. Seventh, a 200-meter long train is moving due north at a speed of 125 meters per second. A small bird is flying due south a little above the train with speed 5 meters per second. The time taken by the bird to cross the train is, just think that this is my train. This is going with, suppose this is my train. This is going upward, that means in north direction with a speed 25 meters per second. One small bird here, just in above the train, this bird is moving with a speed 5 meters per second. Now length of the train is what? 210 meters. So technically you have to calculate that in how much time this bird will cross the train. So see, relative speed in to cover this 210 meter is 30 meter per second. Basically, U relative, if you will see, then that is what? 30 meter per second, because you have to cover 210 meter, and your floor is what? Traveling with 25 meter per second in north, and that bird is what? Traveling 5 meter per second due south. So net speed will be at 30 meter per second to cover this distance. So time taken will be at 210 upon 30. So you will get what? 7 seconds simply. So in my opinion, B is what? Correct answer. Eighth one is a car travels a distance on a straight road in 2 hours and then returns to the starting point in the next 3 hours. Its average velocity is. भाई ये तो सो सिंपल है, ये आंख का अंधे को भी पता चल रहा है कि एवरेज वेलोसिटी होता क्या है. व्हाट इज एवरेज वेलोसिटी? What is average velocity? That is what? Displacement upon time. This is what? Displacement upon time. Displacement upon time. Now कोई अगर एक पॉइंट से स्टार्ट हुआ वापस आकर के इसी पॉइंट पे चला है, मतलब डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या हो गया? जीरो. सो जीरो बाई टी विल बी व्हाट? जीरो. कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, मतलब डी सही आंसर है. The variation of velocity of particle with time moving along a straight line is illustrated in the following figure. The distance traveled by the particle in 4 seconds is. See, how many times I told you that velocity time graph. In velocity time graph, slope gives us acceleration and area under graph gives us डिस्प्लेसमेंट. सो यहाँ पे वही चीज पूछा जा रहा है भाई कि 0 to 4 सेकंड में डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना होगा, तो ये एरिया निकालो. ये एरिया कोई भी बता देगा कि ये एरिया मेरा कितना होगा, हाफ इंटू 1 into 25. So this will be 12.5. Similarly, what will be this area? This area will be 1 into 25. So this will be 25. This is what something like what? Trapezium. So how we were calculating area of trapezium? Half into height. Height is what? 1 and sum of the side. Sum of the side will what? 25 plus 20. Let's see. This is 25 and this is what? 20, and in between this is the height is what? 1. That's why I'm writing like this. So that will be what? 22.5 plus, see this area. This area is once again 1 into 20. So this will be what? 20. If you will calculate properly, then 12.5 plus 25, 37.5 plus 22.5, 60 plus 20, 80. So 80 will be what? D will be correct answer. Now 10th one. Brakes are being applied in a car moving with a speed 20 meter per second, which produces a retardation of 5 meter per second square. The distance traveled by the car till it stops is. See, basically U is 20 meter per second. And a retardation, that means A is what? Minus 5 meter per second square. What they are asking, the distance traveled by the car till it stops. That means V is equals to 0. So just substitute V square equals to U square minus 2AS. Why? Because retardation, this part is 0. So S will become what? U square by 2A. Now, so this thing will become 20. 20 square will be what? 400 by 2 into 5. So what I'll get? I'll get 40 meter. 40 meter means what? That's option C is what? Correct. Now see 11th one. What is 11th one? A particle moves along the side AB, BC, CD of a square of side 25 meter with velocity 15 meter per second. Average velocity will be. Now see, if that particle is traveling with 15 meter per second, then see total distance will be how much? Sorry, total time taken will be what? This is 25, this is 25, this is 25. So total distance will be what? 75 upon 15. So 75 by 15 will give me what? Time taken. So time taken will be what? 5 seconds. What they're asking average velocity. So average velocity is what? Total distance, sorry, net displacement upon total time taken. So this is what? My displacement. Displacement is what? 25. And time taken is what? 5. So average velocity, what we can say? Average velocity will be 25 upon 5. So this thing will give me what? 5 seconds. 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. So D will be what? Correct answer. Now 12th one. A body falls from rest, its velocity at the end of the first second is. Nothing. G, they have given you 32 feet per second. This thing should be square. So V equals to, we know that U plus 80. It is starting from rest. So this thing will become what? 32 into time is what? 1. So you will get what? 32 itself. So B is what? Correct answer. 13th one. Which of the following velocity time graph shows realistic situation of a body in motion? See this graph. Time C cannot be negative. So once you are going forward, then you cannot come backward in time. So this is not possible. Same thing is here, that if you are starting, you cannot turn backward in time. Exactly same logic here also, but this one is looking logical. So option B is what? Correct. So ये था आपका पूरा डिस्कशन क्लास 9th आज 24 तारीख के पेपर का. बाकी अब आप लोग का कैसा गया क्या गया, मेरे ख्याल में पेपर सो सिंपल था। आप लोग का पेपर क्या कैसा हुआ, प्लीज कॉल मी मैसेज में। ओके, थैंक यू, सी यू इन द क्लास।